Good afternoon, friends, and a warm welcome to Gradeup. Good afternoon, all of you, and a warm welcome from Gradeup friends. A very warm welcome from Gradeup. I'm sure that you guys are preparing well for CLAT, ALIT, symbiosis, and other law entrance examination. I'm sure that you guys are preparing really well for this particular examination. A very warm good evening to all of you. Sorry, rather good afternoon to all of you. Today we are going to discuss, friends, some very important legal reasoning question of 2020 CLAT pattern, the latest CLAT pattern questions. That is our agenda for the day. Today we are going to discuss some very important legal reasoning questions for CLAT 2020. I can understand it is very hot outside. It's super hot outside, and especially in the northern part of India, there are heat wave right now blowing. So stay inside your home. There is no need of coming out of your home. You have COVID-19 attack as well as the heat wave. Stay inside your home. So we start with today's class, friends. We start with today's class where we are going to discuss some very crucial legal reasoning question for CLAT 2020. Before we start solving the question, as you know, you have to read a passage of about 450 words. You have to read a passage of about 450 words. Read the passage, and I will give you around 60 seconds time to read this passage. 60 seconds time now. Please read the passage very carefully. Read the passage very carefully, friends. Read the passage very carefully. Another 15 more seconds. Another 15 more seconds. How many of you are done reading? Good. Moving to the next slide. Moving on to the next slide. Read this passage very carefully, this slide. The passage relates to the abrogation of Article 370, wherein the telecom service in the erstwhile state of Jammu and Kashmir was temporarily suspended. The 4G network is still today suspended. So the government of the day, the administration of Jammu and Kashmir has restricted internet within the entire union territory of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. Am I clear? The judgment of the Supreme Court says that the restriction imposed has to be reasonable. There has to be a reasonable restriction on your fundamental rights. Read the following passage. Read the next slide. Read the next slide. Article 19 gives you certain fundamental freedoms. Freedom of speech, freedom to travel freely, freedom to reside freely, freedom to have any occupation, trade and business, freedom of association. But these rights under Article 19, remember you, that are all subjected to reasonable restriction. The state can impose certain restrictions. Am I clear, friends? Read this slide very carefully. Read this slide very carefully. Am I clear? Okay, moving on to yes, you will be going to get certain question based on this passage that you are reading right now. You will be getting some question relating to the passage right now. Read the passage very carefully. Are you guys done? I think you should be done by now reading this particular slide. By now you should be done reading the slide. Are you guys done? Fast. Fast, fast. Let's come to the question. Let us come to the question. Question number 1 is in front of you. Question number 1 is in front of you. The Supreme Court rejected the government's contention that it could keep the orders secret as, number 1, A, it says it impinges on fundamental guarantees under Article 19(1)(g). B, it is not related to maintaining public order and safety. Both A and B, or D, it impinges on freedom of speech and expression. Question number 1, what is your answer? What is your answer to question number 1? A lot of people are saying A, some people are saying C, a lot of people are saying D, a couple of people are again saying C. The correct answer, friends, the Supreme Court rejected the government's contention that it could not keep these orders secret because it impinges on the freedom of speech and expression. It impinges. Yes. A lot of people did say D. I know that. A lot of people did say D. D is the correct answer, friends. Am I clear? Did you understand? It violates. Impinges means violates. Because if you keep these orders secret, it will violate your freedom of speech and expression. Absolutely. A lot of people did give the right answer. Absolutely. But a few people gave A as well as C as their answer. Okay. Next question. Let's go to the next question. Question number 2. The Ministry of Home Affairs issues an advisory to the media companies that they should only publish news related to COVID-19. After verifying it with the government. Is such a measure valid? Is it reasonable? Is it not reasonable? If the restriction is proportional, if the restriction has certain rationale behind it, only then it will be valid. Tell me, what is the correct answer? The correct answer is such a measure is valid. You guys all know it. The Ministry of Home Affairs a couple of months back came out with a notification or an advisory saying that the media companies should publish news relating to the people who are infected with COVID-19 and people who are dead because of COVID-19. After whatever the government say, they will publish that. Am I clear? The correct answer is option B. Am I clear? The correct answer is option B, my friends. Option B is the right answer. Am I clear? Option B is the right answer. Up next on your screen is, friends, the CLAT YouTube schedule that we are following. Is Gradeup's CLAT YouTube schedule. Is the Gradeup's CLAT YouTube schedule. Please take a screenshot of it and do not miss any of these classes, because the classes that we are going to have from now onwards will be very, very important, friends. Will be very, very important. We will also screen this in the app. Am I clear? So those of you who have downloaded the Gradeup application, you don't need to go to YouTube. You can see these sessions from your Gradeup application alone. Am I clear? Question number 3. Question number 3. Let's see. Andonal, a resident of Srinagar, one fine day found that his 4G pack was not working. Later on, he found that the government downgraded his 4G service to 2G service to fight fake news of coronavirus. He challenges the government's measure on the ground that it is a violation of his freedom of speech and expression. Is the measure proportional or is it not proportional? Lot of people have given me already the correct answer. Very good, very good, very good. Good, good. The correct answer, friends, is this measure is not proportional. Now, there is 4G. 4G is reduced to 2G because of COVID-19. This is not proportional. It is not proportional. It is not proportional, and hence the correct answer is B. Am I clear? It is not proportional. Am I clear? The correct answer is B. A lot of people have given me the right answer. A lot of people did give me the right answer. Okay. Friends, Gradeup brings to you Target Law 2020, a Scoreup course, which we are going to provide to students who are preparing for CLAT and other law entrance examination. This Target Law 2020, a Scoreup course, will provide you with 100 plus live classes, interactive quizzes, practice question papers, as well as mocks to cover ALET, SLAT, MHCT, and CLAT. There will be topic-wise quizzes and PDFs for revision. A full coverage of current affairs and legal knowledge will also be provided to you, friends. In case you want to enroll yourself, do it as soon as possible, because we have already launched batch 1, batch 2, and very soon we are going to launch batch 3. We are going to launch batch 3, Target Law 2020, a Scoreup course. Question number 4. Question number 4. Question number 4. Now, because of a person writing a article, because of one person writing an article which contained hate speech and which was intended to incite violence towards atheists, can the entire website be banned? The question is this. Now understand this. One person has written an article. Which might be a little hate speech, which incites violence towards atheists. Can the entire website be banned? The correct answer is no. It cannot be banned, because such a restriction is not proportional. Very good. Some of you have given me the right answer. It is not proportional. Am I clear? Okay. Did you understand? Question number 4, the correct answer is option A. Because the restriction, if that article was to be thrown out, if there was a ban on that particular article, that was okay. But you cannot ban the entire website. You cannot ban the entire website. Am I clear? You can definitely tell the website people to take down that particular article. There is no problem with it. But you cannot say that the entire website will be banned. Am I clear? Am I clear? Question number 5. Question number 5. The government downgrades internet service from 4G to 2G because of certain anomalous terrorist attack. Now, here is a person who cannot buy online goods from Amazon or from Flipkart. He files a writ petition that he has a right to freedom of trade. His freedom to trade has been violated. Is the restriction proportional or is the restriction not proportional? Please answer me fast. The government of India in Jammu and Kashmir downgrades the 4G to 2G because high-speed internet is used for terrorist attack. Because of this 2G service, Flipkart, Amazon, Ola and Uber is unable to earn their money. There are a lot of people who are earning money from Amazon, from Flipkart, from Ola, from Uber, right? Their right to freedom of trade is being violated, they say. Now, is the restriction proportional? The question is this: is the restriction proportional? The correct answer is it is proportional because there is a threat of an terrorist attack. Because of terrorist attack. Now, because of coronavirus, question number 3. Now, let us understand question number 3. There is a restriction on media people that you cannot give details of the numbers of people who are affected by coronavirus unless it is approved by the government of India or the government or the state governments. That restriction is absolutely fine. Similarly, here is a restriction that from 4G things have come down to 2G because of some terrorist threat, national security concerns. Because of that, the correct answer is the restriction is proportional. Am I clear? The restriction is proportional, friends. Okay? Did you understand, friends? Did you understand? Fantastic. A lot of people gave me the right answer. A lot of people did give me the right answer. Absolutely. A lot of people. Okay. Did you understand? Now, friends, Gradeup brings to you Gradeup Green Card, which is going to provide 12 plus mock test for ALET, SLAT, MHCT and CLAT. We are also providing mock test for CLAT. The validity of this green card, of this Gradeup Green Card, is a period for 3 months and it is priced at 699 rupees. So those of you who have joined the course, all the mock test you will get in the package itself. But those of you who want just the mock test, you can also avail these mock tests by getting a Gradeup Green Card. Okay? Friends, do subscribe and like this session. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Press the bell icon so that you do not miss any notification for all the classes ahead. Definitely like the session and share this session with your friends who are also preparing for CLAT and other law entrance examination. Thank you very much. Hope you understood the kind of questions that you will be posed with in CLAT 2020. I hope you understand the kind of questions that will come in CLAT 2020 insofar as your legal reasoning section is concerned. Thank you very, very much. God bless you. Thank you.